Praful Patel also said there was a serious need to take note of the people's mood. People are angry and disappointed with leadership.
He talked about the young voter overwhelmingly going on towards the side of the Aam Aadmi Party with issues that touch a chord with local people. He also has talked about decisive leadership, and is that something which you also feel was lacking?
Decisive leadership is always expected out of any government, and it is necessary because at the end of the day, people look up to a government and its leaders for giving them leadership, giving them a direction. I'm not saying that Mr. Pawar meant to speak about any individual, but collectively as a government, if some things have gone wrong, this is the time to make amends and to give them decisive leadership and to give them a direction which people would appreciate. The issue about being looked upon as a context of our relationship with the Congress Party, I think our relationship with the Congress Party is not an issue here. We are part of the UPA, and therefore in all the actions of the UPA, it has a bearing even on us.
So this will automatically have a bearing even on you all, because the 4-0 mandate, Congress has faced a virtual rout in Delhi. It's been reduced from the government in power to the miserable third with a single-digit tally.
Well, this is an interesting election to the extent that while on one side, yes, Congress has been a loser in all the states, but it is also not a complete reflection on what people think of that this is a positive vote only for BJP or, for any individual. In fact, the Aam Aadmi Party has got, I would say, a lot of the negative vote. I don't think that vote is, a vote which is positive for the BJP. Same thing in Chhattisgarh. It was, if you look at the voting percentages, 41% to BJP, 40.3% to the Congress. So it does not translate into the same mood which is, being reflected in so many other discussions. The real issue is that, yes, there is certainly a resentment at the state level, maybe at some of it at the national level, and it is time to make, take corrective action at least on issues which engage at the national level and to be able to regain the confidence of the people.